So I made an app to simplify or to make it more efficient to check out like upcoming assignments on Canvas. So I'm gonna run through like my usual workflow, which is I open up my web browser and then I do canvas.csuchico.edu/calendar. And then you have to go to that login page, wait for it to log in, wait for you to.
You're supposed to see this.
Oh, is it not showing up?
You got weird.
Oh no.
Click HDMI. There it is.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's redo that.
Okay, we'll redo it.
.edu/calendar. And then you have to wait for it to log in and get you all like authenticated, and you have to wait for it to load, and the classes don't even show up. You have to wait like 3 seconds for it to show up. And I just got annoyed by that because I want to constantly check like what assignments I have to do, but I don't want to wait like 20 seconds every time I want to check that, right? So now this is my updated workflow. I just open a terminal. I've gotten pretty accustomed to terminal, so that's why I made that my choice of user interface. And I set it as a keybind of Control-O. So whenever I press Control-O, it starts the app, and then it's a little small. Here, let me zoom out, okay. But yeah, here's my interface. So it starts on the current day, which is today, April 18th, and then it shows you assignments that would show up normally on this Canvas calendar here. So everything that should show up here should show up in this app as well. And I'm a Vim user, so I obviously mapped it to Vim binding. So K goes up in assignments, J goes down in assignments. And then I added a check mark for assignments that I completed already so that I can eventually see which ones I still need to do. Like I still need to do this peer review. And so I have O mapped to open up this assignment in my browser. And so now I'm on that peer review page. And so I can just like start it right here. I don't have to go to the course and then I have to go to their modules and then find the correct assignment. It's like just right here for me. Yeah. And then if I press L, it goes forward in time to the next assignment. You notice it skipped from Friday to Sunday because there weren't any assignments on Saturday. So it knows how to do that. And then if I press H, it goes back to the previous day that had an assignment. And this is just my simple app. It's a terminal user interface, so that's what TUI stands for. And it's just something that runs on my terminal. And then if I press Q, it just quits it. And it was written in Rust, so it's pretty efficient, and it gave me a good learning opportunity for learning Rust too.
You should have to type on a rough more.
What's up?
Does it only show assignments?
So this is actually just like an announcement from my professor that he rescheduled office hours, so I think it also shows like notes.
Okay.
But it should be anything that shows up in your calendar shows up here.
Okay.
Yes.
How do I get this?
I have a GitHub, but you need to add some environment variables to your terminal. Like you have a profile on Canvas, and then you can choose to like export or allow apps to interact with your profile, and so you just have to give my app permission to do that.
Are there instructions on your GitHub README for this?
Yes, there are.
Great.
Nice. Yeah, I can share the repo in the Discord after this too.
Okay.
Did you use any like Linux specific dependencies?
I don't think so. It's Ratatouille cross-platform?
Yes.
Then I use Ratatouille, so it should be fine.
Okay. Should make them install like Rust up with the replay.
What's this?
So what's the process of like importing all the data to your TUI?
Okay, so let's see. So basically it gets environment variables. So if I go to Canvas right now and I go to like my account, maybe I shouldn't show this actually. But
Okay.
if you go under profile, it gives you like a secret password. My app asks for that password, and then after that, you just have access to all the Canvas. Because Canvas actually offers an API, you can just go to like canvas.com/API/classes, and it will just give you all the classes as long as you have that profile key. And then it sends it back as JSON, and then I just like use Rust to manipulate that data I get back and turn it into something that's actually like useful here.
Nice.
Awesome.
Okay.